Hi, I'm Annie with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. I am excited to tell you about Cut It Out, our pattern for stylish yet practical cases in 2 convenient sizes. Designed to hold small or large scissors, shears, or snips, this pattern is tailor-made for our vibrant community of sewists and makers. We all understand the value of a good pair of scissors and the importance of protecting them and us by not exposing their sharp blades and points. With these well-crafted cases, your treasured scissors will be securely nestled away. You can confidently hang the case or slip it into a drawer or bag, knowing that you and your items will be protected. Each softly padded case features a flap with a magnetic closure to securely hold the scissors in place while making opening extra easy. A handy loop on the back makes hanging a breeze. The Cut It Out pattern includes step-by-step instructions and clear illustrations for crafting these handy cases in 2 sizes. If you want to master magnet installation, understand how to shape pieces, or perfect your binding skills, this is the project for you. The add-on video for Cut It Out will walk you step by step through each of those techniques. Creating this pattern was a joy for me and my team. It's really rewarding to design a pattern that will help you develop your skills as you make something so useful. For a deeper dive into the project and supplies needed, be sure to catch our A Closer Look video. We can't wait to see what you make, so please share photos of your finished projects with us. Stay connected with us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube by following @Patterns by Annie. And remember to participate in our monthly photo contest for a shot at winning. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. Happy stitching!